Exercise number 3 asks us to convert 30 degrees into a radian measure. So let's get started on that. We've got 30 degrees and we want to convert to radians. How we're going to do that? We're going to use dimensional analysis. So we have 30 degrees. We want to multiply it by something over a degree. We want to have radians on top and degrees on the bottom. So we know that there are 180 degrees in pi radians. Now, this degree and this degree cancel because we have one on the top and one on the bottom. Remember that 30 can be put over 1. So now our unit of measurement is radians. So we take 30 times pi to get 30 pi radians on the top, and on the bottom, all that we have left is 1 times 180. So that just gives us 180 on the bottom. So we'll reduce 30 over 180. Well, we can pull 10 out of each of those. So we've got 3 pi radians over 18. And now we've got 3 and 18. Those both reduce into 1 and 6. We can pull a 3 out of each of them and divide through. So we're going to be left with pi over 6 radians. Now you should think about whether that makes sense or not. So let's just draw a picture out. 30 degrees, put that here in green, looks roughly like this. So here's our 30-degree angle. How much of a revolution is pi over 6? Well, let's go ahead and grab our calculator. So what we've got is pi, or 3.14. If you want to, you can push the pi button on your calculator, like I'm going to. Okay. And we're going to divide that by 6. Now it's going to give me 0.5. So what that means is we have 0.5 of a radius. So if you take roughly half of a radius and you bend it along the arc, along here, that angle will be 30 degrees right here. So this value makes sense. This is the procedure right here, from here over to here, that we're going to use. It's dimensional analysis. And the key part of it is knowing this conversion. Once we have that relationship set up, we can do all the rest of these problems.